Hey folks, Scott from IT Rockstars. Hope you're keeping well. I'm tired today. I am. The little one's not well and she's causing havoc around the house over the last 24 hours. So I'm really wiped out. So hence I may look like I've just got out of my bed. Anyway, in this video, we're going to be covering how to optimize all of the titles on your web page for your IT business on your website. So you've probably got a lot of blog posts, a lot of pages like service pages, even your home page. And all that stuff, some of them might be optimized in the past to try and get you higher up in the search. But there might be other pages there that you just built over time and used some of the content here at IT Rockstars to build out your blog posts. And they're maybe not optimized for SEO. So you may have a page like this that I'm showing you right here on the screen. And this is one of our members here, and it's a Systems and Smiles guy called Kevin. He's a cool guy. He's got a really neat business. But he's got his blog post here. No text to you about his startup. Not about an art. It's not at all optimized for SEO. If you were reading that title, you would have no idea this was like promoting IT services for high growth startups. So he's asked me, can you help us optimize these titles, or his marketing assistant asked me. So I'm going to show you my process for this. It used to take a lot longer than it does now. At the time of doing this episode, Copilot is now part of Bing or Microsoft Edge, sorry. So if you load up Edge and if you sign into Edge with your Microsoft 365 account, you will get access to Copilot. And the cool thing with the Edge version of Copilot is that you can reference pages. So I can go to this page here and then I can ask a prompt about the page that I'm referencing. So in this example here, I've asked Copilot, can you please look at the existing title of this page and the existing content? And I've asked it basically, keep the original context of the title, but optimize it for SEO as well. And what it's come back with here is it's come back with an SEO optimized title that's going to get high up in the search, but it also has that context of what the page is about. So the title it's come back with is Building Your Startup's Arc, Mastering IT Support and Compliance for High Growth Success. Now, one of the things with Copilot and ChatGPT is I can quite clearly read when it's been. I can see right away when it's been written by AI. And in this title, I can see there's a word in here that I see quite often in AI, the word mastering. So I'm going to be editing this, but the good thing with this process is you don't start with a blank slate. So you can use this to get 3 or 4 different ideas, and it'll help lead you down different paths. So I use this more for ideation. So I'll ask it to, write something for me. But that piece that it's written for me, it could be a social post, it could be an article, or in this case, it's optimized page titles for SEO. It helps you build ideas and allows you to kind of go down different avenues. Whereas if you're starting from scratch, starting with a blank sheet, it's a lot more difficult. It's like, where do I start? This just kind of gets you started, and it helps a lot. So this is the process that I use. I've got about 8 or 9 pages here that I'm going to be optimizing, and I'm just going to be using a similar prompt. I'm going to each page, asking it to reference the page, reference the title, and giving me back an SEO optimized version with the original context. And I'll ask maybe for 3 or 4 different ideas. So this is one idea. I maybe ask for another couple, and I'll edit it, and then I'll build that into the website. And eventually Google will take notice of these new optimized titles and will rank higher in the search. Anyway, that's it for today. Hopefully it was useful for you, this little nugget of information. It certainly helps me a lot and my work with our members here at IT Rockstars, getting them to the top of the search engines to get lots of new leads for their IT businesses. Anyway, if you want to find out more about this, check out the website SEOwithscott.com. I have on there a piece of information that shows you how one MSP is getting 84 sales appointments every single month. Yes, 84. SEOwithscott.com. Take it easy.